What's up, guys? It's Claw and Collect. This video's nuts. This is last week's collection on my claw machines. I added headphones. My local, one of my stores locally carries Bluetooth wireless headphones, but they're like 35 bucks a piece. I've been putting those in my mega prizes, and my revenue has skyrocketed at my locations. Last week, I collected in 1 week from 5 locations, $730. Here's just a little bit of the proof. This is a stack of 101s, another stack of 101s, a whole stack of 20s, 5s, and 10s. We've got all these quarters here. We've got bags full of cash here from the other collections. I mean, from last week. This is just 1 week's collection, so I have to do this intro piece just to tell you how nuts this is. Enjoy this video. It's going to be a little bit shorter as far as a collection video is concerned, but this is my biggest collection ever. In 1 week, from 5 machines, 4 locations, 1 location has 2 machines, $730. Hit subscribe down below. This is Claw and Collect. Enjoy the video. All right, here we are at our first location, and somebody's won the mega prize from our second mini, so that's good news. And we've already kind of re-hid the key in there. This one, we're still battling for the headphones, but the machine is played down quite a bit. It's pretty low, and I've already turned on the settings here. Let's go down to our accounts and see how this did. This is a 1 week collection, 1,368 coins. So when we divide that by 4, that'll tell us what this one machine did in a week. So to clear that, we go down to date clear, clear the date, and let's make sure that zeroed the account. It did zero the account, so next time we come here next week, those coins will be accurate for just that week. We'll jump in this machine here. Where did I put those keys? Here they are. So we'll jump in down here and see how we did. This is a 1 week collection. We've even got a 20 in here. That's unheard of. A couple 5s, a bunch of 5s. Got some 5s and 10s. So this is what do you think, bub?
I think it's pretty nice.
It's a pretty good collection. Now this machine here, this machine does not track exactly, so I have to count the money by hand in this machine to know what it did, but we'll get them serviced and move on to the next one. All right, guys, we're here at the second location. Looks like it's been played down quite a bit because there's my top where my toys typically go, and it's pretty low now. We'll jump in here at our settings and see what the accounts are showing. 377 coins in the machine for this week, so you take that number, divide it by 4, and that'll give you the total dollar amount in the machine. We're going to date clear, and we can just make sure that zeroed our accounts. It did zero our accounts. As you can see, everything is 0. And we'll get it fixed up here. Dive into the bottom. So cash layout looks like we have a couple 5s, several 5s. We also just got done loading our ATM on our route. It's the first time I've had to reload the ATM, but here's the way the cash is setting. Again, 377 total coins. Each dollar is equal to 4 coins. So you take that 377 from the machine, divide that by 4, and that'll give you the total dollar amount in the machine. We'll get it serviced, move on to the next one. All right, we're at our pizza location. It's really played down. It's pretty low, if you guys can see how tall the wall is versus where the toys are. We're in our accounts. I'm gonna go down to accounts. Total coins in the machine, 700 coins. That's really good. That's a 1 week collection. Divide that 700 by 4. That's the total dollar bills amount in the machine. So the way to service it, we go down here to date clear. We clear our date so that when we're back here next week, the data is for just that week. We have been zeroed. That's all we need to do right now. Let's check what our probability is set here. Probability is set to PR 1 and 6. That seems to be doing well. So we're not going to change that. We'll jump down in here and just see how it did.
That looks like a lot of cash. This one's
It's written on. It's got stuff wrote on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But here's what we've done. It's done
This one's
pretty
bad.
good for the week.
What did they do
Quite
here?
a few quarters. I don't know what's on that, but we'll get our machine emptied and serviced, and that'll be it for this week. All right, guys, so you just got done watching my 7-day collection video for just last week. It's my biggest collection ever, a total of over $700, about $730 collected in 7 days. Nuts collection. That is on 4 locations, 5 total machines. One of the machines, the 5th one, only did about $30. So I didn't even include it here, but that's at my new Mexican restaurant on a college campus. I thought it would have done a lot better than it's done, but it's done really bad. So I'm not sure this particular Mexican restaurant gets a lot of business. It is right next to my pizza location that you just seen made $175. But every time I go in this Mexican restaurant, I've noticed it's not busy. Also, it's kind of like a dingier, dirtier restaurant. It's not upkept well, in my opinion, as far as what it looks like. So I don't know that it gets a lot of business, but my mini claw in that restaurant is right by the cash register. So it's right in the front of the restaurant, right as you walk in. And it's right next to a location that's doing really well. So all because you get a spot you think is going to do good doesn't mean it will. So far, this machine's only made me like, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks in 2 weeks, which to a lot of people, that might be good. You know, if it keeps that trend, it's going to make about $200 a month in gross sales. So it's going to profit me, let's just say 50% or $100 a month. That's okay. It's $1,200 a year from one machine. And the only problem is I'd rather it be better. So that's the bare minimum. For me, like $200 a month is in gross sales is what a machine has to do to stay on location. Otherwise, I pull it or I start just looking for somewhere else to then move it to. So I don't put it and take it and pull it and put it in my garage, but I will start looking for somewhere else for it to go. As a side note, today is my next collection day, which is today, and you'll see this video that I make today, next week. I'm placing new machines. So next week's video is going to be really awesome as well, as far as a collection day / new machine video is concerned. So hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Claw and Collect out. See you all next couple days. Watch my shorts. I put a lot of shorts up throughout the week, but my long form content's usually about 1 video a week. Thank you guys again. Have a good one. And comment down below how your business is doing or what you would like me to do a video on that might help you get started. Have a good day.